A very good morning to my friends. Today I welcome you in the new video where we are going to discuss the four big hit news of the days. Before we proceed to the video, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification. The very first news we are going to talk about the BHEL, which has seen a surge of 4% in the today's trading sessions after the strategic partnership came into the existence between BHEL and HIMA. HIMA worked majorly in the Middle East, Dubai, which is wholly owned by the HIMA Paul Germany company. This strategic relationship will develop the portfolio the BHEL has so far, majorly working towards the control system of the railway industry. With this, the BHEL portfolio and the services will diversify and will incur the more business in upcoming future. Moving with the second biggest news, we are talking about RVNL, which has won Eastern Railway project development with the lowest bid of 286 crore. This news has come after the RVNL has won another railway development program in southern part of India on 24th of April with a joint venture with another firm. This news will boost the overall performance of the RVNL in upcoming quarters and will make the balance sheet much more stronger despite ordering the despite bidding the lowest price for these projects. Moving with the third biggest news, we are talking about Blackstone-backed Aadhar Housing Finance, which will issue its fresh IPO in upcoming second week of the month of May, with a fresh offering of 3,000 crore with an evaluation standing at 13,000 crores, with the issue price at 300 to 350 a lot for the retail investors. This finance company has shown a tremendous growth in the last few financial years. Bangalore-based company has more than 218 uh, stores or branches throughout the nation. Moreover, the company has shown a positive, strong growth in the balance sheet as the number has grown to the net profit around 549 crores in the latest 9 months of financial year 2024. With a staggering CGAR of 39.7%, the company has increased its net interest NIM net interest uh, uh, margin with the base point of 110 bps at 8% during the same period. This will definitely be the apple of eye for the investors as the company start its fresh IPO on 9th of May 2024. Moving with the last biggest news, we are talking about the overall development of semiconductor chip in India. The news has shown that the Indian government is going to announce a staggering incentive of 76,000 crore scheme for the development of semiconductor chip within the India. This news has come after the Indian government continuously working towards the framework to reduce its dependency on the uh, chip export from the other nation. Moreover, in the alignment with the Make in India, the government is continuously working. As an example, as an result of this, the company has issued the setup of three major chip conductors sites, which out of which two will be wholly constructed and operated by Tata Group. Moreover, the company Tesla, US-based car making company, is going to establish another chip making plant within India, which will boost the overall manufacturing of self-driven cars in India. This will surely make India one of the hot seeking country throughout the world for the chip manufacturing and export from the India. With this, I would like to end the today's session. Before we leave this video, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you.